Welcome back to your Finance Lab. Today we're going over the top 10 habits of financially successful people. Building wealth isn't just about earning more money, it's about creating the right habits and routines that support long-term financial health. These habits are simple enough for anyone to start today, but they have a powerful, cumulative effect over time. So if you're serious about building financial success, these are the habits you'll want to start practicing. And stay tuned until the end because we'll reveal a bonus habit that is often the hidden key to financial growth. Let's get started. 1. Habit setting clear financial goals. Financially successful people don't just work hard, they work with purpose. They set clear, specific financial goals that guide their actions, from saving and investing to spending. Without clear goals, it's easy to drift and make impulsive decisions that won't help you build wealth in the long run. These goals often include short-term, mid-term, and long-term objectives. For example, a short-term goal could be to save $5,000 for an emergency fund within 6 months, a mid-term goal might be to buy a home in 3 years, and a long-term goal could be to retire with a net worth of $1 million. Actionable tip: write down 3 financial goals today. One for the short term, one for the mid-term, and one for the long term. Be specific with the amount you want to save or earn, and set a realistic deadline for each. 2. Habit tracking spending. Successful people keep a close eye on their money by tracking their expenses. By knowing exactly where their money goes, they can make informed decisions, identify wasteful spending, and make adjustments as needed. Tracking expenses helps them stay disciplined and stick to their budget. There are plenty of apps and tools that make this process simple. Financially successful individuals often make it a habit to review their spending weekly or monthly, ensuring that they stay on track and adjust as needed. Actionable tip: start tracking your expenses for the next month. You can use a budgeting app like Mint or YNAB, or simply keep a spreadsheet. Break your expenses down into categories like groceries, entertainment, and utilities to see where you can cut back. 3. Habit automating savings. Financially successful people don't rely on willpower alone, they automate their savings. By setting up automatic transfers to their savings or investment accounts, they ensure they're consistently building wealth without having to think about it. This habit removes the temptation to spend money that could be saved. Many high achievers aim to save at least 20% of their income and automate contributions to retirement accounts, emergency funds, or other investment vehicles. Actionable tip: set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to a savings or investment account each month. Even if you start with a small amount, automate it so you're consistently building your savings. 4. Habit investing regularly. Investing is one of the most important habits for building wealth. Financially successful people understand the power of compound interest and make it a priority to invest consistently, even if they start small. They don't try to time the market or make quick gains. Instead, they invest with a long-term perspective, focusing on steady growth. They often diversify their portfolios, investing in a mix of stocks, bonds, real estate, and other assets. By investing consistently over time, they grow their wealth and ensure they're not solely reliant on a paycheck. Actionable tip: set up an automatic monthly investment. You can start small, $50 or $100, and increase it over time. Consider using a low-cost index fund or ETF if you're just starting. 5. Habit prioritizing health. Financial success isn't just about money. Many wealthy individuals understand that health is their greatest asset. By prioritizing physical and mental well-being, they increase their energy, focus, and productivity. This habit includes regular exercise, healthy eating, and managing stress effectively. Many high achievers schedule exercise into their daily routines, just like any other essential task. They know that staying healthy boosts their productivity and gives them the energy to tackle their financial goals. Actionable tip: set a goal to incorporate at least 30 minutes of physical activity into your day. This could be a workout, a walk, or even a quick yoga session, anything that keeps you moving and healthy. 6. Habit continuing education. Financially successful people are lifelong learners. They understand that knowledge is a powerful tool, and they make it a habit to stay informed about the economy, investment strategies, and financial trends. Many of them read regularly, attend seminars, or take online courses to expand their understanding. Whether it's reading books, listening to finance podcasts, or joining a professional group, they continuously seek to grow their knowledge and skills, which they apply to make better financial decisions. Actionable tip: commit to reading one book or taking one online course related to finance or personal development each month. Over time, this habit will compound and give you valuable insights into building wealth. 7th habit: avoiding lifestyle inflation. As people earn more money, they often spend more. This is known as lifestyle inflation. Financially successful people are cautious of this habit. Instead of increasing their spending when their income rises, they maintain a modest lifestyle and invest or save the extra income. This discipline allows them to accumulate wealth faster, rather than spending it all on luxury items or unnecessary expenses. They might indulge occasionally, but they remain conscious of the impact of lifestyle inflation on their long-term goals. Actionable tip: the next time you get a raise or bonus, resist the urge to spend it all. Instead, allocate a portion to savings or investments, and keep your lifestyle relatively stable. 8th habit: networking and building relationships. Successful people understand the power of networking. They build relationships with like-minded individuals, mentors, and peers who can help them grow. Networking opens doors to new opportunities, from business partnerships to investment tips, and provides valuable insights that can't always be learned from books. They actively seek out people who inspire them and contribute positively to their growth, and they make it a habit to nurture those connections. Actionable tip: make it a goal to reach out to at least one new person in your field each month. Whether it's attending a networking event or connecting on LinkedIn, building relationships can lead to valuable insights and opportunities. 9. Habit: planning and reviewing financial goals regularly. Financially successful people don't just set goals and forget them, they review and adjust them regularly. They understand that financial plans need to evolve with changing circumstances, so they make it a habit to review their goals and progress monthly or quarterly. This habit helps them stay on track and make adjustments if they're falling behind. By regularly reviewing their finances, they can identify areas where they need to improve, celebrate their progress, and maintain focus on their long-term vision. Actionable tips: schedule a monthly or quarterly review of your finances. Look at your progress, evaluate any changes, and adjust your budget or goals as needed to stay on track. 10. Habit: practicing gratitude. One often overlooked habit of financially successful people is gratitude. They make it a point to appreciate what they have, which keeps them grounded and reduces the temptation to overspend or constantly chase more. Practicing gratitude helps them maintain a positive mindset and focus on their progress rather than comparing themselves to others. Many successful people keep a gratitude journal where they write down things they're thankful for each day. This habit helps them stay focused on their goals and reminds them of the wealth they're building beyond money. Actionable tips: start a gratitude journal and write down 3 things you're thankful for each day. This simple practice can improve your mindset and help you stay focused on what truly matters. Bonus habit: giving back. A significant habit among financially successful people is their commitment to giving back. Whether it's through charitable donations, volunteering, or mentoring, they recognize the importance of helping others. Giving back not only contributes to a positive impact but also reinforces their sense of purpose and gratitude. Many wealthy individuals like Warren Buffett and Bill Gates have pledged large portions of their wealth to philanthropy. Giving back reminds them of the bigger picture and motivates them to continue building wealth for a greater purpose. Actionable tip: set aside a small portion of your budget for charitable giving or volunteer some of your time to a cause you care about. This habit not only helps others but can also increase your own happiness and fulfillment. These 10 habits may seem simple, but they have a powerful impact when practiced consistently. Building wealth isn't about grand gestures, it's about small, intentional actions taken day after day. Which of these habits will you start incorporating into your life? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more personal finance tips and strategies. Remember, wealth is built one habit at a time. Thanks for watching Your Finance Lab, and we'll see you in the next video.